Hi now fam, I hope that you guys are doing well. It's your girl Diabella back again with another video. So I received a package from COLORFULJULY. They were kind enough to send me over another wonderful package. And even though it says Merry Christmas on it, they did send it to me I think back in December, but I'm just now getting it. I am obsessing with how they package these boxes when they send them over. I think I saw Unpolished by Aggie unbox this box already. So I am going to be quiet and I'm going to take everything out of the box and let you see what everything is inside. All right, so let's go ahead and take off the nice little ribbon there. Got a nice little sticker to the side here. It's giving me vintage vibes with the the newspaper wrapping. It's really cool. Okay, so here is the box here. I think you should be able to open it from the bottom. Yeah, thank God these ain't my nails. What is the package is tight too? Ta-da! Here we go, box full of wonderful goodies. So this one is the Baroque box. From back in the day, the Baroque period. Remember we learned that in school? Okay. Every time I see this, y'all take your mind out the gutter now. Y'all don't be like me. Every time I see this, I'm like, bro, what is going on? I mean, what's supposed to fit you? I mean, obviously it's for fingers. But anyway, let me stop being fresh, as we say in the Bahamas. So first thing we have here is some finger guards, and we have a buffer as well as some cuticle stick, all nicely, neatly packed. So cute, guys. That is absolutely so cute. All right, next we have, oh, it's a silicone mold for, what is that? What is that? It looks like a heart to the top and then something to the top there. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I mean, that would be a nice charm on the nail. Hey, wouldn't that be? Very nice. I think this is actually my first silicone charm. I mean, a silicone mold. Really nice. If you guys can see what that is, let me know. I always think it's like a cow when I put it this way, but then, okay. Next we have, oh, I wanted some of these. I've seen so many people do the chrome nails and then they put one of these on here. I think somebody corrected me. They told me this was a fleur to something. And we got a nice little cross there. Got a little, maybe I could call this a coat of arms. Can you see that? I love these charms. I love them. Very nice charms. All right, next we have some stickers. You guys know I'm obsessed with stickers. I love stickers. I have nothing like these. Aren't these perfect for Valentine? Guys, excuse my chair creaking in the background if you do hear it. Absolutely beautiful. These are giving me a little edgy, aren't they? A little bit gothic. I love them. They're really cute. Really cute. I would imagine they go together nicely with these like crosses and stuff for like a nice black. I'm supposed to do a black Valentine nail set anyway. I might just do that. Yes, we got some angel stickers. So I can do my cloud nails with my little cherubs. Beautiful. So these two are the same, I think. Well, they're similar. They have similar stickers on them. I'm glad to see we got a little mix. Little dark chocolate angel there, you know. Usually you don't see these ones. They are so cute. We got some angel wings as well. Oh my gosh, aren't these stickers adorable? They are so nice. I love the stickers. What's this one? We have holographic glitter roses. That is cool. I've never seen these before. And I don't have anything like them. I have some black ones and some gold ones, but I've never seen like a really beautiful holographic glitter. I wonder if this is reflective as well. That is beautiful. Oh, I could do a nice elegant nail set with that. Okay, we have another sticker here. This one is on the oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, I love it. Giving me some aesthetic vibes going on there. Very nice. Got a little Jesus, I believe. And some more cherubs there. Psycho. Oh, I love it. Super cool. Super, super cool. And we got some spinners. Boy, that's one thing I didn't get. I haven't had a chance to do some spinning charms on my nails. And these are nice and small, so they would still fit onto these almond nails that I have here. So we have some spinner magnets for whichever nail art you want to put on your nail. We have a bling bling snake. I do not have this particular one. This one is just screaming. Egyptian goddess. Stunning. A little bit too long for the current nail length that I have, so I'd probably have to go a little bit longer. I'd probably have to go like extra long to be able to have these on the nails, but absolutely stunning. Bling bling. Beautiful. Okay, what do we have here? We have this one to look like a wreath, but this also could be a crown if you're creative enough. That's also a really nice size as well, perfect for the size nail that I have here. That's really cute. We have some pearl shells, kind of pearl shells, really nice. Oh, that would go good with some gold. Stunning. That would be really nice. Everything's just so cute, right? We have, I'm not sure if these are stickers or water decals. This one might be a water decal. Yeah. So it's good that they have one that's just stickers that you don't have to, and then you also have ones that are water decal in case there are persons that love the water decal look a little bit better. That's really nice. I think this is also a water decal one as well. And this has similar ones to one of the stickers there as well. That's actually really cool. Really cool. All right. So I believe these are going to be some gels. And we'll put the gels to the side and we'll give them a swatch a little bit later. Usually the solid gels come in these little smaller containers here, and then the bigger gels come inside here. All right, just a few more things to go and then we're done. Oh, we have quite a mixture. Oh my goodness, I've never seen charms like these. That is so cool. Now I have the pearl cherub. I think this is these are different ones. Like I have the ones that look like these two here. Look at the, we have like a little heart with a little crystal in the center, a star, 2 stars with crystals in the center, like a nice little vintage heart down here. And we have some black and white bows. Plus we have roses as well. They did a really good job pulling in the theme for this box. They did a really good job, and they also brought in elements outside of the box. I would have never thought to look for charms like those. So as you can see, the back is hollow, so you definitely need to put enough gel down to hold that down. I love the black flowers as well. They are so cute. Oh, definitely doing a dark set, a nice edgy set as well. That's really cool. So we have another one here as well. Wow, yes, we have, what you call these, with the faces on them. I forgot the name of them. And we have them in different backgrounds as well. Oh, they're so cool. Silver and gold, and then we have like a cream background, and then we have like a black, but both black and silver as well as gold. How thoughtful is that? You get to know some people like gold, some people like silver. We have a nice pearl cherub here. We have more black roses here. We have more of these. I think these are angels, aren't they? Like what is beyond those Greek pillars. And then we have some cream bows here as well. That is actually really, really cool. I'm gonna open these up in a minute. I was trying to avoid opening everything on camera. Okay, so we're down to the last few, and we have ourselves some beautiful glitter. You guys know I was obsessing over some glitter. I'm trying to remember if it's Colorful July that I was using up some glitter from last month. What is this? Oh, this was Varnil. Oh, excuse me, sorry. I thought it was Colorful July. It looks very similar to that one as well. So I love this glitter. So I'm glad to have more of it because I intend to be using it throughout the entire year. It is just the perfect glitter for everything. It just has this like sparkliness to it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it is absolutely stunning. All right, and then lastly, we have 2 sets of foils, one in like a black, I think, and then one in some white. So I'm gonna open these up so that you can see what all of the foils are. Okay, and I think that's the last thing inside the box. It's a long piece too. They wasn't being stingy. Look how a lot they give you. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, so I'll be quiet just for a little bit whilst we go through all of the last little bit of foils that's in this collection. Okay, so now let's take a quick peek at the colors of the gels that are in this box. Let's see what our first color is. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look how shimmery that is. That is perfect. That is perfect, because if you're doing anything Baroque, you need something on the nude palette. I don't want to take the whole thing off because I don't want to make a mess. That is beautiful. That is a stunning color. Gorgeous color. Now let me just go ahead and open up the other ones off camera so that you can see the colors. Okay, this is something pretty unique. I wonder if this is a texture gel. It looks different. Yeah, it looks like it's supposed to be like a texture gel. That is actually really cool, and it's like a beautiful, nice minty green kind of color. That is really cool. And then this one looks like another texture gel as well. It gotta be a texture gel. It can't be like a glue or anything. That is really cool. That's a pretty yellow there as well. And then we have a blue solid cream gel. So this would really be perfect against these cherubs for a cloud nail effect. I love the texture gel because they're going to go really nice for a nice vintage vibe with some of these flowers. Really good job putting this box together. Fantabulous products. All right guys, so let's do a quick recap of everything that's inside the Baroque box from Colorful July. In case you are interested, I actually have a really cool discount code, and I will have that linked down in the description box. You can actually save off of the retail cost of this box. And yeah, so okay, let's do a quick recap. So we've got ourselves some silicone mold. We have a mini manicure set that has finger guards, a file and buffer, as well as some cuticle sticks. We have ourselves a 6-grid box of nail charms on the edgy Victorian Gothic side. Really cool. We have a variety of smaller charms, including some pearl pieces, some spinners, a wreath crown, as well as a snake. We have ourselves two 12-grid boxes of additional charms, Victorian charms, bows, roses, cherubs, hearts, stars, pearl charms inside here. We have our set of 2 watercolor stickers. We have a mini glitter mixture here. We have 4 gel related products, various different products as well, one of them being a shimmer, seems to be 2 texture gel and a solid gel polish. We have 2 sets of 10 or 12 foil transfers inside here, and then we have 3 of these cherub stickers, 1 rose holographic glitter sticker and another black heart sticker here. All of this included in the Baroque box from Colorful July. Okay, interested in this box or any of their boxes, because I do believe they have a few other boxes. I think there's also a Valentine's box coming out from them as well. Feel free to use all of the discount codes, guys. It'll save you some dollars off of these amazing nail art. All right, so I will be swatching these or doing a nail video with a nail design in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.